Tough అంటే ఏం లేదు నాన్న, time consuming. As I was telling you the same. You need to think carefully. When he says, for example, the one which causes oxidation of cytochrome C. So what is that complex causing oxidation of cytochrome C? Nothing but cytochrome C oxidase, nothing but complex 4. So related to complex 4 indirect he is asking. And of course, there was one key mistake also related to growth and development chapter. What was that, Nana? Was there a key mistake or not related to growth and development? Formula for exponential growth or geometric growth?
Yes, sir. W1 equals to W0 ER.
He has given us W0 plus ERT key in the key. That should not be cut off. Anyhow, shall we go for question paper? I think it's not there in your group, okay? Yeah. ఇదే కదా నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 1, during one turn of Krebs cycle, how many steps of decarboxylation? 2 steps were there. What were they actually? One way it is 5th and 6th, another way it is 4th and 5th. Some are taking 4th and 5th as 4th only, oxidation along with decarboxylation. And some are taking oxidation separate, decarboxylation separate. That's why. Whatever it is, there were 2 successive decarboxylations that were conversion of, tell me Nana, oxalosuccinic to alpha ketoglutarate, then alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme A. So it was 2 decarboxylations. How many were oxidations in Krebs cycle, Nana?
4.
4. How many were substrate level phosphorylations in Krebs cycle?
1.
1. Very good. Then question number 2. For Krebs cycle, replenishment of which of the following is not required?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. NAD again to be supplied with, FAD again to be supplied with, oxaloacetic acid again to be supplied with. In fact, a little bit ambiguity, Nana. There could be which of the following is recycled. Suppose if he says replenished, then it becomes oxaloacetic acid, which is used in that cycle, formed also from the same cycle. That way, if you take, isn't it? Got the point, Nana?
So then FAD and NAD also will be formed, right, sir?
Where from are they formed? They are formed
Good morning, sir.
from the system. Thing is, they need to be resupplied. See, the question law, they should have one. If it is replenishment point of view, Nana, logic if they go with, Any intermediate can be taken as by only NAD, FAD, OAA. Kada. Oxygen is no way linked to Krebs cycle. It is neither formed there nor used there. There should be a question like in relation to that question like, which of the following is recycled during Krebs cycle? Then it is oxaloacetic acid used there and formed also there. Atla. Anyhow, question number 3. Which of the following complex do not take part during oxidation of NADH? For NADH, complex 2 has no role. Kadanana. Complex 1, 3, then 4 only there. Mobile carriers anyhow there. Complex 2 is connected only to FADH2. Kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 4th question. Which of the following is not a component of cytochrome C oxidase? Ide question ana. Deenke chala careful ga you should think about. Cytochrome C oxidase is nothing but complex 4. Complex 4 we know has copper A, copper B, has cytochrome A, A3. But cytochrome C is not a part of that. So should be 2 answer. Question 5. Which of the following intermediate of Krebs cycle can be withdrawn for synthesis of chlorophyll A? Ikkada malli ambiguous nana. It is succinyl-CoA and also acetyl-CoA. Both kada. Acetyl-CoA is used in phytol tail for chlorophyll A. Succinyl-CoA is used for pyrrole head for chlorophyll A. So it can be 1 and 3 actually. Yes, given is 3rd only. Again, a problem. 5th question, little bit ambiguous. Nana.
Sir, they did not ask net gain, no, sir. They just asked gain. So it should be 40, right?
Regarding? No,
It's-
I'm asking about question 5th better. Question 5 I'm discussing about, right? It can be acetyl-CoA, it can also be succinyl-CoA. Withdrawn from Krebs cycle. Aite, it starts with acetyl-CoA, therefore we give priority to succinyl-CoA. Antakanna em ledu. Got the point, Nana? Question number 5. Which of the following intermediate of Krebs cycle is said, no? So intermediate of Krebs cycle is succinyl-CoA. Substrate of Krebs cycle is acetyl-CoA. At that point of view, we take the answer as 3. Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Question number 5. Ah, yes. Question number 6. From 1 molecule of glucose, there is a gain of how many ATPs during aerobic respiration? It should have been net gain again.
Yes, sir. That,
Because he said gain, we are taking it as net gain. Antenana. Gain annadu kabatti. For 1 molecule of glucose, how many ATPs are formed? Then it is 40.
40.
Gain, he said, so we are taking it as 38. Atlanana.
okay.
Then 7th, proteins can enter in respiration through. Okay. They can enter as pyruvic acid means link step, enter as acetyl-CoA, enter as alpha ketoglutaric. Both are part of Krebs cycle. So it can be 1 and 2 means A and B. See, their options given is 1 and 2 and in the 4th option given as A and B. So it means understanding for us is both 1 and 2. Got it, Nana? Then 8th one, which of the following can never be used as a respiratory substrate? Pure carbohydrates can be used. Pure fats, no. They were taking part either as glycerol, fatty acid. Pure proteins also, they were forming intermediates. So 2 and 3. Here he has given both 2 and 3. In the above he has given A and B. Here he has given 2 and 3. Then 9th, in which of the following reactions of TCA cycle substrate level phosphorylation occurs? What was that, Nana, in TCA cycle? Succinyl CoA to succinic acid. So third option, isn't it? 1 minute. Nana. చేయండి మీరు కానీ వస్తారు ఎట్లా ఏమి కెన్ స్టార్ట్. నాకు ఈ కరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు కదా, క్లాస్ అవుతుంది. వస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఎంతవరకు వచ్చామన్నా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9. నెక్స్ట్ లెట్స్ గో టు 10th. During the oxidation of succinic acid, ఉన్నారా నన్ను అందరూ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. During the oxidation of succinic acid, the hydrogen acceptor is succinic acid oxidation into fumaric acid. Who was accepting, Nana? FAD. So second option. 11th, the following is the product of second decarboxylation in Krebs cycle. Second decarboxylation was nothing but alpha ketoglutaric acid to succinyl CoA. So should be fourth option, succinyl coenzyme A. Kada? 12th. Statement 1. Respiratory pathway is an amphibolic pathway. Correct. There is no problem at all. Statement 2. Respiratory pathway is involved in catabolism only. Was it catabolism only, Nana?
Both catabolism and anabolism.
Both catabolism and anabolism. That's how it was called, amphibolic pathway. So should be statement 1 correct, 2 is incorrect, means answer is 2. 13th, how many oxygen atoms are required for oxidation of one molecule of G3P through electron transport system? If it is 1 G3P, how many molecules of reduced coenzymes you get, you calculate. It's only time consuming, Nana, otherwise nothing. So equal to the number of reduced coenzymes is the number of oxygen atoms. He said about atoms, be careful. Molecules, if it is half to that, isn't it? So if it is G3P, in glycolysis alone, you get 1 NADH coenzyme. Then TCA cycle, 3 NADH, 1 FADH2. So total become 5 5 oxygen atoms are required. If it is so, answer is 1. Ante kada nana?
Sir, link reaction
Oh,
1 and it is so
sorry.
6 no.
Reaction there. It should be 6, nana. Correct. So answer is 2. Then 14th, glycerol enters into respiratory pathway in the form of gap, which is otherwise called P-gal, nothing but 3P, through DAP. He has given direct statement in the textbook as PGAL, but it is through DAP. As you see the amphibolic pathway, clear mention there. So should be 2 answer for that. Then 15th,
Excuse me, sir.
tell me beta.
Sir, for the 13 questions, sir.
You didn't understand.
Sir,
Wait, I'll tell you
Sir.
beta. Each reduced coenzyme, be it NADH plus H plus or FADH2, would require half O2, nothing but 1 oxygen atom at the end of electron transport system, right?
Yes, sir.
So you provided G3P Kadanana, for aerobic respiration. How many reduced coenzymes you have?
Yes, got it, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, G3P I consider as 3 BPS, so I got confused.
3 PGA will be a different answer. Yes, better.
Yes.
After oxygen, you will get 3 PGA. Yes.
Okay.
So should be 6 oxygen atoms. So for 14th, glycerol enters as P-gal, nothing but gap. No problem there. Then question number 15th. An enzyme of TCA cycle not located freely in the matrix and present on the inner membrane of mitochondria. Hundreds of times we were emphasizing on this. Kadanana, every one of you know it is succinate dehydrogenase, which was in fact forming complex 2, isn't it? Next, the 16th, let us go to correct statement among the following. Okay. When glucose is used as respiratory substrate, RQ is 0.9, isn't it? No, it is
1.
not. For glucose carbohydrate, it should be 1. Then second, in aerobic respiration, net gain of ATPs for 1 glucose molecule is 40. Was it net gain 40? No, net gain was 38. So that can't be. Then third option, glucose splits into 2 molecules of lactic acid and 2 molecules of CO2 during glycolysis. Was it? No. Lactic acid is never formed in glycolysis. That was product of fermentation. And CO2 also never formed in glycolysis. So that is also wrong. So you are left with fourth option. It has got to be right. There is no other way. So G3P is a triose sugar, a 3-carbon sugar, correct. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, nothing but GAP, nothing but P-gal. Then 17th, which of the following enzymes is not involved in citric acid cycle? Fumarase, where was fumarase, Nana? Conversion of fumaric acid to malic acid was there. Succinic dehydrogenase, just now we were talking about, it was helping in oxidation of succinic acid into fumaric acid. Aconitase was there in isomerization steps. So you have left with only one option. That is fourth option, hexokinase. Hexokinase was in the first step of glycolysis. What happens? 1 minute. Okay, Nana? Oh, shoot. Okay, Nana. So, which one were we doing? 18th, huh? Sorry. 16th we were doing, asking for correct. So, fourth option is correct. There is no problem. Then coming to 17th. Which of the following enzyme is not involved in citric acid cycle? Hexokinase, just now we said. It is in the first step of glycolysis, but not in TCA cycle or citric acid cycle. 18th, find out the odd one among the following. Odd one. Citric acid to isocitric acid was in TCA cycle. DAP to G3P was in glycolysis. Succinic acid to fumaric acid was in citric acid cycle. 3-PGA, 2-PGA was in citric acid cycle. So what is odd one out? You take it as Nana, DAP to GAP, which is part of glycolysis. That is odd
Sir,
one.
3-PGA to 2-PGA is also glycolysis.
Oh,
So
correct.
these are isomerizations.
Sorry.
The remaining are isomerization.
Yes,
Third
Nana.
one is oxidation.
3-PGA to 2-PGA was in glycolysis. DAP to GAP was in glycolysis. Succinic to fumaric acid was in all TCA cycles. Straight to isocitric. Oh, yeah. If we go with a logic, isomerization is one. Oxidation anukuntenana. DAP to GAP is isomerization. 3-PGA to 2-PGA also isomerization. Citric to isocitric also isomerization. Yes, beta. So you are left with is succinic to fumaric acid. That was
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Yes. So answer 3. 19th. Which statement is wrong for Krebs cycle? Okay. During conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid, one molecule of GTP is formed. Correct. Asking for wrong statement. Okay. Second one. Cycle starts with condensation of acetyl-CoA of condensation of acetyl group of acetyl-CoA with pyruvic acid. Was it with pyruvic acid, Nana? Oxaloacetic acid. So should be second one wrong regarding Krebs cycle. Third, let us see. There is one point in the cycle where FAD plus is reduced to FADH2. Correct. There are 3 points in Krebs cycle where NAD reduced to NADH plus H plus. Correct. It is actually NADH plus H plus, correct representation, Anna. NADH should not be actually. Right, whatever it is, second is a false, wrong statement related to Krebs cycle. 20th. Which of the following metabolite is common in respiration mediated breakdown of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins? Metabolite common in respiration mediated breakdown. Susara, I was telling you.
Acetalco.
Common for all the 3. 21. One and only one 5-carbon compound in Krebs cycle. Yeah, this also we were talking very often. Which one, beta? Alpha ketoglutaric acid. The only 5-carbon intermediate of Krebs cycle. Before that all were 4-carbon. After that all are, before that all were 6-carbon. After that all are 4-carbon. Then 22. What is the name of mobile amphiteric carrier in electron transport system of mitochondria. Mobile, actually, if you take ubiquinone was there, cytochrome C was there. What is amphoteric, Nana? Amphoteric undalsinda. Kada? So that way he's taking it as ubiquinone. Chemical nature wise. 23, Nana.
What is meant by amphoteric?
Yes, Nana. Tell me.
Like what is meant by like an amphoteric carrier?
Amphoteric chemical character. I think you only come across in chemistry now, beta. I don't have an idea. We are just getting amphoteric compound. You come across, I think, in chemistry, Nana? No?
Sir, they react with acid and base.
Oh.
So that with chemistry, that concept is there, but then what is meant by a mobile carrier?
Mobile carrier, you know, beta. In electron transport system, there were two
Yes.
mobile electron carriers.
Cytochrome C and ubiquinone.
Ah. Out of them, it is this one taken. Just go with that, otherwise nothing else. 23, growth in plants is, of course, about which you came across in first year also. Internal or external, Nana? Growth from inside or from outside, Nana, in organisms?
Inside.
Intrinsic.
Growth is from inside. So we take it as intrinsic. All right. Then is it uniform or localized? Naturally, it will be localized, confined to root and shoot apices. Determinate or indeterminate, Nana? Indeterminate, indefinite. So should be third option. Then 24th, the arrangement of electron transport complexes in inner membrane of mitochondria. Okay. During electron transport system. Oh, should it be the fifth one taken into account or not? Whatever it is, 1, 3, 2 followed by 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Then 5 also, if included, it becomes second option. Oh, why not second and third, Nana? Third also can be. During ETS, if you talk about, it should be third option. But ETS ultimately is linked to oxidative phosphorylation also, no? Why these kind of questions? Ambiguous. All are in the inner membrane of mitochondria only. Okay? So we go with 2, Nana, if complex 5 also taken into account. If that is not taken into account, third option, 1, 3, 2, 4. Strictly speaking, it should be third option, Nana. Because during ETS, he said, what is given in the key?
Third option.
Third option. There is no meaning of this kind of questions, Nana. They should give a clarity. What is there? They can give clarity in the question. Question should be very clear, Nana. Then 25th, who are acting as final acceptor of electrons and protons in ETS during complete oxidation? Of course, it is oxygen, undoubtedly. 26th, Nana. How many oxygen molecules are involved in ETS if one molecule of acetyl-CoA is completely oxidized? How many oxygen molecules? Vishara, intakumundu oxygen atoms annadu. If he is saying now molecules. So if it is oxygen molecules, half to the number of reduced coenzymes, Nana. Isn't it? Molecules when we say. From acetyl-CoA onwards, for one acetyl-CoA, suppose you take, how many reduced coenzymes you are likely to have, Nana? 5. 5 or 4, Nana? How many, beta?
4, sir.
4 only. Acetyl-CoA means citric acid cycle only. Krebs cycle only you confine to. Then we have 4 oxidations. So 4 reduced coenzymes. If so, oxygen atoms are 4. And if it is oxygen molecules, 2. Then answer is 4th. You should be careful, beta. Possibility of committing mistakes. Whether he is asking about oxygen atoms or molecules, you should be careful while reading the stem of the question. That's what I was telling you, Nana, for this chapter. 27th, in arithmetic
They gave
group.
two.
Yes, beta?
For 26, they gave 2, sir.
2 ane kada Nana. Option 4th.
Okay, okay, got it.
Option 4th, answer is 2, Nana. Then 27th, in arithmetic growth, okay, do all progeny cells undergo divisions again?
No, sir.
No.
Only once.
The growth occurs at a constant rate. Yeah, that is okay. Then it is mathematically represented as LT is equal to L naught plus RT, correct? So identify correct statements. How many are correct, Nana? Then B and
C.
E means answer is 2. 28th. How many total reduced coenzymes are formed during complete oxidation of 1 glucose in respiration? Equal to the number of water molecules you were getting. Simple, Nana. So should be 12. 10 were NADH, 2 were FADH2. So should be first option. How many total reduced coenzyme molecules? Means 12 molecules. That's how 12 oxygen atoms are used and 12 water molecules are formed. So 28th is 1.
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes, beta. 28th, Gadanana.
Yes, sir.
Total number of reduced coenzymes during aerobic respiration for 1 glucose. Complete oxidation ante we take it as aerobic respiration, beta. If it is so, we have 2 NADH from glycolysis. What are reduced coenzymes, Nana? NADH plus H plus and FADH2. During glycolysis, 2 NADH we have. During link step, 2 more NADH, so 4. During TCA cycle, 6 NADH. So total become 10 NADH. Then we also have 2 FADH2 from TCA cycle.
cycle.
10 plus 2.
Okay, sir.
RQ value depends on type of substrate is okay, type of organism is okay, presence of light, nothing to do, absence of CO2, nothing to do. How? These options. So
Only
more appropriate if you have to choose only one, it should be first option, Nana.
Yes,
Because
sir.
if it is anaerobic organism, definitely RQ value is different. But within the options given, we can go with first option only, Nana. More appropriate, we take it as. Thirtieth, which of the following substrate have maximum RQ value? Organic acid, so oxalic acid, an organic acid, maximum 1, more than 1, it is in other words. For fats, it is less than 1, we know. Proteins, it is less than 1, we know. Carbohydrates, it is 1, provided if it is aerobic. But for organic acids, it is more than 1.